Oh, no. Hi. Hey. I'm Bob.
It's the John Doe. He's Sentry Project.
No, everyone who went through Sentry Project is dead, Mel.
And he'd had a real rough go before that.
If he survived the procedure, that means...
Yeah, it might actually work.
Oh my God.
Open fire! End this now! I want him toes up!
Cease fire! Cease fire!
What the...
I need you to connect me to our satellites. I need to know exactly where he's going, and I need it now.
I think he's coming back down.
No.
Oh, shit.
She did that to him.
She turned into a Tomahawk cruise missile. You were right. She definitely wants us dead.
To test on someone like that, it's inhuman.
She's lost it.
Nope. She's found it. And she'll use it.
What is this? Power of 1,000 exploding suns. Golden guardian of good. It's a mouthful.
Wow. Sentry.